Hello students, we'll solve one more problem related to module 3. The problem is like this: a flat plate 1 meter wide and 1.5 meter long is to be maintained at 90 degrees centigrade in air when free stream temperature is 10 degrees centigrade. Determine the velocity at which air must flow over the plate so that the rate of energy dissipation from the plate is 3.75 kilowatt. Use Nusselt number is equal to HL by K is equal to 0.664 Reynolds number to the power of 1 by 2 into Prandtl number to the power of 1 by 3. This is for laminar flow, and Nusselt number HL by K is equal to 0.036 REL Reynolds number to the power 0.8 minus 836 bracket Prandtl number to the power of 1 by 3 for the turbulent flow. Take the following properties of the air at 50 degrees centigrade are: density is equal to 1.0877 kg per meter cube and thermal conductivity 0.02813 watt per meter degree centigrade and specific heat 1007.3 joules per kg degree centigrade, and dynamic viscosity is 2.029 into 10 power of 5 kg per meter second, and Prandtl number is 0.703. So students, this problem is based on turbulent flow because in the question they have given some properties. They have given here the density and the thermal conductivity and specific heat is given, so that we have to consider for the solution. So first we will write given data. So length is given, L is equals to 1.5 meter and breadth is 1 meter, and surface temperature is given 90 degrees centigrade, and T infinity is given 10 degrees centigrade, and Q is given 3.75 kilowatts. Now the mean temperature we have to find that they are given. So the mean temperature, mean film temperature that is TF 90 plus 10 is around 50 degree centigrade. TF film temperature is 50 degree centigrade. Now first what they are to find out, determine. Here in the question they asked to find out, determine the velocity at which air must flow over the plate so that the rate of energy dissipation from plate is 3.75 km. We have to find out what is the velocity. Very clear cut question. We have to find out the velocity. Okay, the velocity of flow, how much, that we have to find out. Velocity of flow, that we have to calculate, that is capital U. Generally we know that equation H by convection, H A delta T, you know. Okay, this equation you know. So area is given, H area is length into breadth, and this is normal. Okay, now you substitute. Q already is given, Q is 3.75 kilowatts, so that we have to keep it in kilo. 10 power of 3 H bar 1.5 into 1.5 meter into 1 meter into 90 minus 10, or also we can write H bar is equals to 3.75 into 10 power of 3 divided by 1.5 into 10 and 90 minus 10. This becomes around 31.25 watt per meter square degree centigrade. Okay, so the value of H, bar, heat transfer coefficient, indicates that the flow must be turbulent. By considering the flow to be parallel to the length of the plate, so we have an equation that is Nusselt number for turbulent flow, HL by K. Okay, so why we are considered for the turbulent? Because the flow must be turbulent. So if it is turbulent, we have to consider this equation given the problem and consider this flow to be parallel to the length of the plate. The flow is parallel to the length of the plate, so we have to choose this equation. So that is 0.036 into RE, Reynolds number 836 into Prandtl number to the power of 1 by 3. This is the given equation. So now we have to substitute all the things which I given the problem. So 31.25 into 1.5 divided by HL by K is given 0.02813 is equals to 0.036 REL 0.836. So Prandtl number is given 0.703 0.33. Okay, further we can write 0.036 Reynolds number, that is 0.8 is equal to 31.25 into 1.5 divided by 0.02813 into 1 divided by 0.703 whole to power 0.33 plus 836. Okay, you simplify that equation, it becomes Reynolds number for the parallel plate 2709.8 0.036 1 divided by 0.8 0.1246790. So REL is equal to 27079.8 is divided by 0.036. Okay, this value we have to substitute 1246790. So Reynolds number, the value will be, Reynolds number value will be, that is rho UL divided by mu, that is 1246790. So this Reynolds number is crosses around above 12 lakhs. Okay, so the flow must be turbulent and the velocity will be U is equals to 1246790 into dynamic viscosity and rho L. This becomes 1246790 2.029 10 to the power minus 5 divided by 1.0877 1.5. So finally U becomes it becomes 15.5 liter per second. So this is the desired answer. I hope students you followed this problem, and similar kind of problem they also may ask in the examination also to find out velocity and Reynolds number like that. So please practice similar kind of problems from the textbooks. Thanks for watching.